Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto G72 has a stereo speakers. And to know that, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and on top there's nothing. There's a phone call speaker on the front side of the screen, nothing on the right and nothing on the left. On the bottom there's the next speaker right here, and nothing on the back. Now we just need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, that speaker and that speaker, and if the sound will be coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that means this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.